Every kid should have it.
What is it?
Candyland!
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 It's the game Candyland!
Hold it up so I can see it.
I want to play it.
Okay, you can.
We will play Candyland.
Yeah, we can play it later.
Play it.
You want to play it, Pierce?
Yeah, maybe later.
Maybe later.
Hey, I'm open this one.
What was that face?
What do you say, Pierce?
For you, all of you.
That purple paper is pretty, or blue, or whatever it is.
That's what it's from.